greatly appreciate everyone coming out to TMTS.
This exhibition is very successful, a lot of people, and I look forward to many other discussions until Saturday evening.
I think it's really important in Taiwan that you have like a show where you really can get the overview of the Taiwanese machine market in the metal cutting business, so you really know who are all the makers if you don't miss one.
I like the exhibition, and also it's very good to meet with the partners, visit them factories, so I'm very happy here.
I am from Kiev. The main impression is TMTS is more local and more target exhibition for real people who wants to buy something.
It's really the showroom to factory tours, seeing the direct hands-on approach, the supply chains going from point A to point B in the complete factory solution. So I'm still seeing a lot, so I'm looking forward to seeing more.